Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning, if I have my days right here. Yeah, Tuesday, July 27th. It is a quiet start to our morning. Really, the weather, when it comes to clouds, precipitation, is not a big part of the forecast these next few days. Really, it's all about temperatures, humidity. That's the big player over the next few days. Not a lot of wind out there, maybe a little over 10 miles per hour at times. A couple of clouds, but otherwise generally clear skies, lots of sunshine today. Hot, muggy conditions out there. Only chance of rain would be a very slim chance off to the northeast. Most of us, we will see a quiet night for tonight. A warm night ahead of us here. And then tomorrow looks like a hotter day. The only saving grace is a little more wind out there tomorrow. Southerly breeze is a little stronger than today's winds. Otherwise, it'll be another fairly sun-filled day, lots of humidity out there. And then Wednesday night, a cold front starts to make its way southward into the area. That frontal boundary basically slicing the state in half by early Thursday morning, somewhere in here. And it could be a little farther north, a little farther south. But as we get into the daytime hours Thursday, we may start to see some isolated showers popping up during the day, especially north of Interstate 80. A little bit better chance towards Thursday night. But Tri-Cities area may hold off on better chances until Friday night, the Saturday morning here. So temperatures are really the big focus the next couple of days. I will show you the heat index values here coming up in just a bit. But first off, here are your actual temperatures for forecast for today. A lot of 90s out there, perhaps near 100 up north, 105 around Valentine and Chadron. So a very warm to hot day out there for today, not even factoring in the humidity. Heading into tonight, upper 60s and low to mid 70s, a warm night ahead of us here as that humidity stays in place. Tomorrow will be the hottest day of our forecast. Temperatures into the mid to upper 90s, some triple digits to the west and to the north. And again, that's not factoring the humidity, which will be awfully high again for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, another warm night in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s. And then we start to see that cold front influence things a bit on Thursday. Look at northern Nebraska, upper 80s, lower 90s. Still more heat to the south, though, mid to upper 90s, even near 100 degrees, as that cooler air slowly dives southward. We have heat advisories in place. Now we'll start talking about humidity with that heat. Heat advisories in place starting at noon today, for most of us continuing until 9 o'clock Wednesday evening. Counties to the south and east of the Tri-Cities, though, will see it for another day here. They'll be under a heat advisory again for Thursday afternoon and evening through 9 o'clock here, as there will be one more day of high heat index values. I'll show you those in just a bit. Let's look at the future heat index product here, and this is for later this afternoon. Heat indices up in the upper 90s to lower 100s for many of us, but look up north, up over 105. Some of the highest humidity combined with the warmest temperatures up there, so already pretty unpleasant. Tomorrow will be worse, though. This will be the worst day for heat index values. We can see heat index values 100 to 110. Once again, though, notice northern and eastern Nebraska, but especially northern Nebraska, seeing the highest heat index values up around 110, 112 in Yankton, South Dakota. They may actually be worse over the border in South Dakota. Could be as high as 110 to 115, and that's just because the highest dew points are going to be up there in South Dakota, well into the 70s on Wednesday here. So very unpleasant heat index values, and then we get one more day of high heat and humidity on Thursday, but notice the relief up north. Farther south, though, heat index values still up around 100 to 105 in the afternoon hours before they start to come down late in the day and into Thursday night. Long range, we do see the three hottest days of the forecast today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Already Thursday during the day, especially more towards the afternoon, there's a small chance of rain and thunderstorms in the Tri-Cities, better chances up north. And then Thursday night, still a small chance out there, but again, I think the chances still remain a little bit better to the north of the Tri-Cities. So the northern half of Nebraska seeing a chance of rain and thunderstorms. Still humid Friday and Saturday, but not nearly as hot. Mid-80s on Friday. Could see some 90s in southwest Nebraska on Friday, but most of us will be in the 80s for highs. Friday night is our best chance of rain and thunderstorms, especially late night Friday night, after midnight. That, when you're talking Tri-Cities area anyway, I think Friday night, late night would be the best chance. Still a lingering chance Saturday and Saturday night, but that chance is much lower for the daytime hours Saturday and Saturday night. But with extra clouds around Saturday, temperatures struggling a little more. We may not get to 80 degrees on Saturday. Kind of reminds me of the forecast for this last Sunday, just a little bit. Speaking of Sunday, maybe still a lingering shower and storm early in the day, but most of your Sunday will be dry, and that takes us right into Monday, which will continue to be on the dry side, and temperatures staying a little bit below average in the low to mid 80s for both Sunday and Monday. And in fact, you look at the long-range forecast, and we're only warming it up a little bit towards the middle of next week here. So we're not looking at a big rise in temperatures next week here. So really, we get past these 3 days, we get some relief. So 3 days of hot, humid conditions, still a little humid at the end of the week. The humidity will actually come down those first couple of days of August there on Sunday and Monday. But yeah, it'll be nice to get a little bit of relief. Rain chances, like I said, are going to clear out. I'll go back to that 7-day forecast real quick here. Rain chances will clear out most of Sunday through Monday. I think we'll see our next chances come in later next week, around the Thursday, Friday time frame of next week, which is about 10 or 11 days from now. Well, with that, I will let you all go. Thank you for watching on this Tuesday morning, and I'll talk to you all again on Wednesday. Stay cool out there for today. Take care, and God bless. Bye.